Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be cooking stuffed bell peppers, so let's get started. Alright, first thing you want to do, gather your ingredients. We're going to need onions, garlic, tomato, carrots, and bell peppers. I'm going to use 4 bell peppers. I like red bell peppers, so that's what we're going to use. You can use whatever color you like. Maybe you like red ones, green ones, yellow ones, orange, whatever you want to use. Go ahead, get your ingredients ready. Alright, got those chopped up. Next you want to grab your garlic. Chop those up. Good enough for those. Go ahead, throw them together, no problem. Go ahead, throw those in a bowl. Set those aside. Next, we're gonna peel our carrots. Grab a grater. If you haven't already, you can go hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from us. Make sure you click the bell button too while you're there so you get notified every time we put a new video out. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, little piece. There. Transfer those to a bowl. Next, you want to grab your bell peppers. If you haven't washed them already, you can give them a good wash. I washed mine already. We're just gonna cut the tops off of these. Next, you want to remove the core. Alright, just rinse these out real quick. Got a pan, baking pan, because we're going to be baking them in the oven. Alright, there we go. Set that to the side. You can put your tops in there as well. Okay, so next, gotta grab your meat. Here you go. We're gonna use ground chicken. You can use ground beef, ground turkey, whatever you want to use inside your peppers. If you're vegetarian, go ahead and skip this part. We're gonna go ahead and turn this frying pan high heat. Grab your olive oil, or whichever oil you prefer. I prefer olive oil. Also, as this pan's getting hot, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven, because we are going to be baking the peppers for around 30 minutes at about 180 degrees centigrade, or I think that's 350 Fahrenheit. Go ahead, get your oven ready. Alright, that's ready. Alright, so our pan's nice and hot. Go ahead and put some oil in your pan, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Go ahead, grab your onions and garlic. Let those cook up until the onion softens a bit, 2 minutes. So the onions are ready. We're gonna go ahead and put in our chicken. Grab our magic tool here. Next you wanna grab some salt. Next you have your black pepper, some garlic powder. Alright, next you have your paprika. Also let me know down in the comments, what are your favorite seasonings for your food? Usually I'm using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And this also goes on a lot of meals. Italian seasoning. Your Italian seasoning. Give this a shake. Go ahead, toss it around. Alright, gonna go ahead and flip this over. Alright. Alright, so as you can see, the chicken's about halfway cooked there. Now's a good time. Go ahead, add your tomatoes in there. Alright, again, let it cook about 5 minutes. Tomato sauce, pour that in there. Always close the can like that with the lid inside of it. Nobody will ever cut their fingers. Okay, stir this around. Now we want to turn the heat down to low. Grab our lid, cover that. Let it simmer. 10-15 minutes. Go ahead and give it a stir. Lid on. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and give it a splash of soy sauce. There we go. Throw our carrots in there. Stir it around. Got it stirred around. I'm gonna grab your rice. Also throw that in the pot. Throw your rice in the pot. Alright. Set that aside. Again. Stir it around. For me, I use the leftover rice, but if you don't have any leftover rice, go ahead and cook your rice up. About 2 cups of rice cooked. That looks good. Now at this point, we'll grab a spoon, give it a taste test. Spot on. Alright. Take this off the stove, go back over to the counter. Bring these over here. Grab our cheese. Got a spoon. So you just want to fill these peppers. We're going to layer it. Get some of your mixture. Put it in there. Alright. Grab some of your cheese. Put it in there. Push it down a bit. Get that packed down. Cheese again. Everybody loves cheese, right? Do you love cheese? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, so we got those all filled up. Cheese on top. So we'll go ahead and move this out of the way. Peppers here. Go ahead and grab yourself some foil. Let's cover up our peppers. Next thing we're going to do, throw them in the oven. And like I said, they're going to be in there about 30 minutes. Let those peppers cook. Let the flavors all mix together. It's going to be delicious. Alright guys, so those have been in the oven for about 20 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and remove them with my hand puppet. Oh, they smell delicious already. Just gonna set them here. Go ahead and remove your foil. Careful you don't burn yourself. Might be steaming. Alright. What you wanna do, remove the lids. Just set them on a plate for now. We're gonna put these back in the oven. Get this cheese nice and brown. What I'm gonna do first though, grab some more cheese. Top it on there. Alright. Delicious. That's right, Andre, huh? Melt this cheese and brown this cheese. Probably 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Probably turn the heat up a bit. Alright, 210. Hey guys, they're ready. Let's grab them out the oven. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at those. Delicious or what? Alright. Next we just need to transfer them to a plate. Careful, they're hot. Okay. Get yourself a plate. Some thongs. Oh yeah. Woo! Delicious.
Be careful not to burn.
Oh, don't do what I just did.
Look,
Alright. There we go. Dropped that one. That was almost a disaster. Alright guys. So, got your peppers there. Gonna be delicious.
Yeah.
Let's dig in.
Delicious.